Welcome to the Central Portal. In this video, we will explore the user and project permission options. With the release of Central version 2.2, the Central Portal is no longer an interface just for administrators. It is now an additional way for all users to access Central to view and share their projects with important members of the team. Let's take a look. Here we are in the Central Portal, connected as an administrator. If we navigate over to the users page, we can quickly see our license entitlements, our users, and their current user permissions. The numbers of users and connectors shown here are set by your license agreement. Central users are all people granted access to Central through the Central browser, the portal, or through the Leapfrog modeling products. Here, under permissions, most Central users within an organization will simply be users, and there might be a single manager or IT person on the team that acts as your admin. Administrators have visibility, access, and management capabilities to manage all projects on the server. They can add individuals to the server, set up integrations, monitor events, and perform maintenance tasks like cleaning up incomplete publishing events. Then, a subset of your Central users can be Leapfrog connectors. These users can also connect to Central via the Leapfrog modeling products. They can upload and download projects within Leapfrog and import meshes into the projects directly from Central. If we go ahead and click on a user, we'll be taken to the Edit User page. Here we can set or change this user's permissions. Then, over here, we can set this user's project permissions. The Central administrator sets which projects each user can see, as well as that user's level of access to that project. The lowest level of permission is Viewer. Upper-level managers, consultants, or other non-modeling technical staff might be given this level of permission so that they can interact and comment on the model, but not actually make any changes themselves. There's also an option to let these users export, so they can pull meshes out of the Central browser for their parts of the workflow that may happen independent of the geology model. The next level of permission is Editor. I envision most geologists interacting with the model in Leapfrog would have this level of permission, as well as being Leapfrog connectors. This allows them to download models from Central, edit, and publish updates. These users can also access files stored in the data room. Finally, the highest level of project permissions is Owner. Owners can do everything that editors can do, as well as add new team members to the project and set their levels of project permissions. Within your organization, there might be 1 or 2 people per project that need owner-level permissions. Let's go ahead and upgrade Brooke's permission to the Banded Iron formation to editor level. We've been interacting with the project permissions from the user side, but we can also view and set permissions from the project pages. Let's look at that now. I will navigate over to the Banded Iron ore page and then to the Users tab for the project. I can see that Alex is the project owner and Berkeley, Brooke, and Lee are editors. If I wanted to add an additional Central user to this project, I could do that by typing their email address here. Then I'll set their project permission and finally click Assign User. Users can also be removed from the project by clicking on this icon here. That concludes this permissions video. Thanks for joining us.